a lot of money, yeah, so ignorant. Eating on that money and I'm sitting with everything I'm sitting with on that toilet. Motherfucker, nigga too ignorant. Get more drunk. I need to get more drunk. Damn.
I don't think he's okay right now. I think they're all high out of their minds. Let's go hang out in my car for 5 minutes. That guy is nothing but the retard of the express. TV cards right here. Go ahead, Jeff. Go in. This is Jeff Delfino.
It's going in on itself.
You know where South Grand McDonald's is? Yeah.
Oh, the cat's going in on itself.
He said,
Shit, deuces.
she's not on the phone, nigga.
Yeah, I did that myself. Looking dope. I'm gonna be rapping like. I'm gonna look down and look there. Yeah.
I'm talking about I ain't talking about the attitude. Yeah, I'm talking about I ain't talking about the attitude.
I'm just gonna wrap up like this. Like,
Alright, let's go, Carlos.
yeah, yeah, Mr. Bomb though. Got the ass jumping up like condos. And she said she wanna throw it back at me. I said, yeah, baby girl, no relax. See, you really wanna get nasty. He said, we can get on the beat and relax. See, listen, cause I'm figuring on the floor and you ready to go. I told her, baby, give me some more. Now let's get it going. I ain't really showing the show. I'm really showing out. Niggas already know that I'm stay going out, blowing up acts and blowing up tracks. And this baby girl, relax. I'm gonna go back. Game on, niggas. I can know that niggas already know that I'm fucking it. And I ain't really about all of these. Ain't nobody really here for me. Oh, we gotta put your hands in the air. That's it.
We got some party shit. Go! We'll let you go there!
See, I'm taking care of it. I want it.
Baseline.
She trying to see what I'm on, but when she get home, shit, I'm gone. But there's another argument, and she telling me I'm the one to start the shit. I'm like, girl, you can't be living on earth. I thought you loved me for better or worse. Well, I guess that's out the window. With the fucking song he turned off. Y'all can get your ass beat like a kumquat and she turned out.
Josh.
What up, kids?
Just to let you know right now, we already prayed about this. So I think the Lord has forgiven us for what we did to this.
Wait, firework?
No.